After using the 3D vacuum press, the silicone cover sheet may wear down or become torn when imprinting sharper products. We need to replace the sheet, and this process is very simple. When the machine has cooled off, open the workbench cover. Take the seal out by pulling it from the corners and removing it completely. Keep the seal, but throw away the silicone sheet. New silicone sheets are included with the machine. First, remove the paper that is protecting the sheet. Then, align the sheet up with the cover and leave the same margin on each side. Start from a corner by pushing the seal and sheet into place, then work your way around the cover. One note of caution: if you replace the sheet using tools of any kind, it may puncture the silicone sheet and cause the vacuum to lose its effectiveness. When you finish pushing the seal and sheet into place, double check that all the points have been sealed properly. Once confirmed, the cover sheet replacement is complete. You can start the vacuum up and begin imprinting again.